Traveling allows us to step outside our comfort zones and explore new cultures. Each destination tells a unique story, offering us a chance to see the world through different lenses. Every trip challenges us in unexpected ways. Whether it's navigating a foreign city or trying new foods, these experiences help us grow, learn, and become more adaptable individuals. Travel creates bonds. Meeting people from diverse backgrounds enriches our lives, offering friendships and insights that often last a lifetime. The memories we create while traveling are priceless. From breathtaking landscapes to unforgettable moments, these experiences become a part of who we are. Traveling often gives us a new perspective on our own lives. It helps us appreciate our home and the comforts we might take for granted. In closing, I encourage each of you to embrace the spirit of adventure. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a journey across the globe, travel has the power to transform us. So, pack your bags and let the world be your classroom. Thank you.